Hi friends! Today I draw a super cute rabbit holding a carrot. So grab your drawing tools and let's get started.
Glittyartenglish.
First, I draw the head shape. Then I draw one leg and the back part of the body connected to the head. Now I add 2 long ears on top and a small fluffy tail at the back. Next, I draw one hand, 2 round eyes, and a tiny, cute mouth. After that, I draw the carrot in front of the rabbit and make the hand hold it. Finally, I draw the inner ear shapes and add 2 cute cheeks. Now it's coloring time. First, I color both eyes glitter black. Then I add highlights to the eyes and color the whole body glitter gray. Did you know? Rabbits have very strong back legs that help them hop super fast, up to 3 meters in one jump. And their long ears help them hear predators from far away. Now I color the cheeks and inside the ears with glitter pink. Next, I color the carrot with glitter orange. And finally, I color the leafy part at the bottom with glitter green. My cute glitter rabbit is all done. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy art. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!